Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to online class. Today you are going to learn about some of the problems in chemical kinetic. The first one, write the rate expression for the reaction assuming them as an elementary reaction. Elementary reaction means the reaction is going to take place in single step. The reactant react to give the product. So now for this you want to write the rate expression. So for the reaction 3A plus 5B2 gives 4CD. For this reaction you want to write the rate expression. Always the rate of the reaction. The rate of formation of the product is equal to the rate of the disappearance of the reactant. So all the rates are equal. Here the reactants are disappear. The reactants are, the rate is going to be disappear, so that the reaction rate can be expressed in negative sign for the reactant. So minus what the coefficient of the reactant can be expressed as a fraction 1 by 3. 1 by 3 change in concentration of A divided by change in time equal to the rate of disappearance of the reactant is equal to the rate of the formation of the product. Next another reactant minus, because A and B are in the they are in reactant side, so minus the coefficient of B2 is 5, so that can be written as fraction 1 by 5 d of change in concentration of B2 by dt, change in time equal to now the rate of the appearance of the product. So here the concentration is increasing and here the concentration is going to be decreases, so that we are going to give the negative sign for the reactant and the positive sign for the product. For finding the rate, then only we will get the positive value for the rate for the reactant. So that is equal to, so this is product, so no need to write the negative sign, and the coefficient is 4, that can be written as fraction 1 by 4 change in concentration of CD by change in time. So this is the rate expression for the chemical reaction. It takes place in elementary reaction. Elementary reaction means the reaction is going to take place in single step. Single step means the reactant react to give the product directly. So this is one of the example, the rate expression. Always you have to express the rate for the reactant, you should give the negative sign, because the concentration is decreasing while the reaction start. After decreasing of the concentration, the formation of the product is increased, so that you have to give the positive sign for the product. So another reaction x2 plus y2 gives 2xy. For this rate expression for the reaction is, so here the coefficient is 1, no need to write, and in the it is in the form of reactant side negative, so decrease in the concentration. The square bracket represent the concentration term and change in time. Is equal to negative sign of change in concentration of Y2 divided by change in time, difference in time equal to the product is 2, the coefficient is 2, so you have to express in the form of fraction 1 by 2 d of concentration of xy by dt. So this is the rate expression for the chemical reaction which takes place in the elementary form. So in a single step, the reactant react to give the product. So always you have to express the reactant side in the negative value, because the concentration decreasing, and while the formation of the product, the concentration of the product is increasing. That can be expressed in the form of a sign. And the next sum, So now the decomposition of the nitrogen pentoxide to form one nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. At a particular instant, the nitrogen pentoxide disappeared at the rate of 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 moles per decimeter cube per second, and you have to find out what rate or the NO2 is formed and what is the overall rate of the reaction. So first you want to write the equation, chemical equation for the decomposition of nitrogen pentoxide. N2O5 decomposed into nitrogen dioxide plus O2. They all exist in the form of gaseous state. Now you want to balance here one nitrogen, 2 nitrogen, here 1, and then 5 here only 4, so that you have to change it into this one. 2 means 2 into 2, 4 nitrogen, and oxygen 2 into 5, 10. So you write here 4 nitrogen and 8 oxygen plus 2, 10. The reaction is balanced. Now you want to write the rate expression for the elementary reaction. The rate expression, the rate of the reaction. The rate expression for the above reaction is 1 minus 1 by 2 change in the concentration of nitrogen pentoxide divided by change in time, that is equal to the product now 1 by 4 moles. So the coefficient can be expressed in the form of fraction change in the concentration of nitrogen dioxide NO2 by dt equal to change in the concentration of O2 by dt. So this is the rate equation for the decomposition of nitrogen pentoxide. Now first you want to write the equation for the decomposition, and then you have to write the rate expression for the reaction. Now what is given? The rate, the instant at disappearance of the rate of the nitrogen pentoxide is what? 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 moles per decimeter cube per second. So what is given? Disappearance of the nitrogen pentoxide. So the disappearance, so that you have to take along with the negative sign, d into by dt is given as the disappearance of the nitrogen pentoxide is 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 moles per decimeter square. Now you want to, because all of them are equal, the rate of disappearance of the reactant is equal to the rate of appearance of the product. So that you have to write as a equal equation now. So you have to equate this equation with that NO2. Now you want to find NO2. So this 1 by 4 d of NO2 by dt equal to. So what is given here? The disappearance of this is 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 2. Now we will substitute the value for 1 by 4 change in concentration of NO2, because we want to find the rate for NO2 at change in time equal to 1 by 2 into the rate of the pentoxide is given as 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 value. Now you want to cancel this. 1 2s are 2 remainder, and then 2 2s are then 5 into 10 to the power minus 2. This can be written as what? 0.0125. 0.0125, and 1 by 4 you have to take the 1 by 4 into that side. The change in concentration of NO2 by dt equal to 0.0125 into, if you bring this 4 this side into 4, this become equal to 5 4s are 20, remainder 2, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2 10, remainder to 1, 5 4s are 22, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, then 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. So you have to give 3 decimal digits. One, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 0.05 moles per decimeter cube per second. So this is the rate of the concentration of nitrogen dioxide at change in time. Next you want to find the overall reaction. Before that we want to find the rate for oxygen. So the rate of oxygen is O2 divided by T equal to 1 by 2 into 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 2. Again if you cancel 1.25, this can be written as 0.0125 moles per decimeter cube per second. And now we are going to see the overall rate of the reaction. So the question is, you have to find the overall rate of the reaction. We find out the individual rate of the reaction of the reactant as well as product. Now you can see that for the rate of the reaction equation is 1 by 2 negative of 1 by 2 change in N2O5 by dt equal to 1 by 4 change in concentration of NO2 divided by dt equal to change in concentration of O2 divided by dt. Now you find substitute the value for this. For this 1 by 2 into 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 equal to 1 by 4 into 0.05 equal to this can be found out as 0.0125. Now you evaluate this. This become 0.0125. So this become what? 0.0125. So if you divide this 0.0125 equal to 0.0125, and then for oxygen 0.0125. So this shows what? The rate of the disappearance of the reactant is equal to the rate of the appearance of the product. This is the rate of the disappearance of the product. This one is product. And next, see, the rate is equal. Rate is equal. Therefore rate of the reaction or the overall reaction, therefore overall reaction, overall rate of the reaction is equal to 0.0125 moles per decimeter cube per second. So, this is the answer for the overall rate of the reaction, and then the rate for the formation of the nitrogen dioxide, and then this is the rate for the formation of the oxygen. So, these are all about in this problem you have find out the rate of the appearance of the NO2 and the overall rate of the reaction.